great to have you on the show today. We will be going through the use of Claude Project in this session. Okay, once you have your Claude loaded on your browser, go to the Project tab on the right and click on it. This should open up a new project page. Then click on the Create Project button to create a new project. Now give your project name and description, and now click Create Project. Now, we are going to give the project some instructions. In other words, we are going to tell the agent how to interpret, how to act, and respond to us. Okay, great. You have created your project. Now it's time to give it some files for information. Go to the right and press the plus button on the right for files. Let's now upload some files for context. So go through your computer folders and find the files you want to add to the file context for our project. Okay, let's now ask it some questions, and it should use the information we gave it to respond to our questions. We are going to now use the returned response to add it to the context of our knowledge documents, like the other documents we did earlier. Go to the right side on the top of the displayed document and click the drop-down menu and select the Add to Project option as seen in the drop-down. Now go back to the project area using the Projects tab on the left, like the Start, and you should now see 4 files in the Project Files area. Thank you for watching. Do leave a comment and press that thumbs up and follow us or join our Skool community. The link is in the description. Until then, see you on the next one.